Picture this, you've just won the lottery. Millions of dollars are showering down like a monsoon in July. But hold on, what do you do with all that cash? Buy a yacht, invest in stocks, or maybe just make it rain? Welcome to the thrilling yet often misunderstood world of personal finance. It's a realm where money can be your best friend or worst enemy, where fortunes can be made or lost on the flip of a coin, and where the choices you make today can shape your tomorrow. Now let's talk about that lottery windfall. Sure, the idea of becoming an overnight millionaire is enticing, but here's a fun fact, around 70% of lottery winners end up broke within a few years. Why? Because managing a fortune isn't as easy as it sounds. Personal finance isn't just about how much money you have. It's about understanding how to manage that money, make it grow, and protect it from the many risks it can face. It's about making informed decisions that can secure your financial future. Imagine you're on a boat and money is the wind in your sails. Without understanding the wind's direction and strength, you might end up lost at sea. Personal finance is your compass, guiding you towards your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, saving for retirement, or traveling the world. But it's not just about the big picture. Personal finance also empowers you to make everyday decisions, like choosing between that fancy latte or brewing your own coffee at home. It's about understanding the trade-offs, balancing your wants and needs, and making choices that align with your financial health. So whether you've just won the lottery, inherited some money, or are just trying to make ends meet, understanding personal finance is crucial. It's the difference between sailing smoothly towards your financial dreams or getting lost in a sea of financial confusion. The truth is, without a solid understanding of personal finance, that lottery windfall could turn into a nightmare. So, buckle up as we dive into the world of personal finance. Imagine a life where money worries are as extinct as the dodo bird. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. Let's start by looking at stress. We've all had those nights tossing and turning, our minds spinning with worries about bills, unexpected expenses, or just general financial instability. It's like having a gremlin in your brain, poking you with a sharp stick whenever you try to relax. But guess what? Effective personal finance management is like a gremlin exterminator. By having a robust safety net, you can swat away those worries and enjoy the sweet serenity of peace of mind. Now let's talk about dreams. We all have them. Maybe it's buying a home with a white picket fence and a dog named Rover. Or it could be saving for a leisurely retirement, traveling the world, or even starting your own business. Whatever your financial aspirations are, personal finance is like your trusty roadmap. It provides the tools and strategies to navigate the winding roads of income and expenses, helping you reach your destination. But personal finance isn't just about reaching goals, it's also about building wealth and long-term stability. You see, it's not about getting rich quick. Those are the tales of fairy godmothers and magic beans. Instead, it's about making wise financial decisions, accumulating wealth over time, and creating a buffer for life's uncertainties. It's like constructing a sturdy financial fortress that ensures you're always comfortable, even when the dragons of economic downturns come huffing and puffing. So, managing your finances is like having a superpower. It can turn your dreams into reality, it can slay the stress gremlin, and it can construct a fortress of stability. And the best part? You don't need a cape or a secret identity. All you need is some financial know-how and a bit of discipline. So, managing your finances is like having a superpower. It can turn your dreams into reality and give you a good night's sleep. Ever felt like you're in a financial straitjacket? Personal finance is your Harry Houdini, the grand escape artist to set you free. Now let's get into how personal finance empowers individual choices and freedom. It's like the key to your own personal kingdom where you're the ruler and the treasury is yours to command. Firstly, personal finance gives you greater control over your lifestyle. It's like being the captain of your own ship. You decide where you want to drop anchor, whether it's a beachfront property or a cozy cabin in the woods. Personal finance allows you to steer your life in the direction you want without being blown off course by financial storms. Craving for a gourmet dinner or a weekend getaway, you got it. Want to work less and play more? That's possible too. With a well-managed financial plan, you're no longer a slave to your paycheck but a master of your destiny. Breaking free from debt is another powerful aspect of personal finance. Imagine being chased by a horde of zombies, except these zombies are your debts, constantly gnawing at your peace of mind. But fear not. With the right personal finance strategies, you can slay those debt zombies once and for all. Suddenly, you're not just surviving but thriving. You're not running away but moving forward. With each debt slain, you regain control over your finances and your life. It's like a game of financial whack-a-mole where you're the champion. Lastly, personal finance lets you invest in the most valuable asset, yourself. Whether it's furthering your education, developing a new skill, or nurturing your well-being, personal finance can be your magic carpet ride to self-improvement. Imagine unlocking new doors of opportunity and potential, all because you had the financial freedom to invest in yourself. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree, bearing the fruits of your success. To sum it up, personal finance is the ticket to your financial freedom. It's the steering wheel to your life's journey, the sword to slay your debt monsters, and the seed to your personal growth. Remember, with great power comes great financial responsibility, and personal finance gives you just that. So, we've talked about the superpowers personal finance can give you. But what's the real impact? What does it look like in your everyday life? Well, imagine waking up each morning, not fretting about the bills due or the credit card debt piling up. Instead, you're pondering on which beach to visit on your next vacation, or whether it's time to upgrade to that fancy new car. This is the peace of mind that good personal finance habits can bring. It's not just about the money, it's about reducing stress and anxiety, and giving you the freedom to focus on the things you truly care about. Now let's talk about your financial goals. Perhaps you've always dreamt of owning a home, or maybe your heart is set on a world tour. With sound personal finance strategies, these aren't just pipe dreams, they're achievable aspirations. You'll have a roadmap to reach your goals and the satisfaction of seeing your dreams turn into reality. But it's not just about the here and now. Personal finance is also about building wealth and long-term stability. By making wise financial decisions, you can grow your wealth over time, creating a safety net for life's unexpected twists and turns. This isn't about hoarding riches, it's about securing a comfortable future for yourself and your loved ones. Personal finance also empowers you with greater control over your lifestyle. Want to splurge on a luxury item? Or maybe invest in a startup? With good financial habits, you can make these decisions without guilt or worry. You're in control, and you can prioritize what truly matters to you. And let's not forget about breaking free from the chains of debt. Being debt-free isn't just a financial achievement, it's a liberation. It's about regaining control over your life and your future. Lastly, personal finance allows you to invest in yourself. Whether it's furthering your education, starting a business, or pursuing a passion, managing your finances well can unlock new opportunities and potential. In the end, the power of personal finance isn't just about having money, it's about having the freedom to live life on your terms. So, there you have it, folks. Personal finance is your superhero, your safety net, and your ticket to financial freedom. With the right knowledge and strategies, personal finance can transform your life. It's like having a superpower that helps you soar above the challenges and uncertainties of life. It's a safety net that cushions you from unexpected financial blows. And it's your golden ticket to a future of financial freedom and security. Think about personal finance as a toolkit. Each tool, from budgeting to investing, serves a purpose. Altogether, they can help you construct a sturdy financial house that can weather any storm. It's not about amassing a fortune overnight. It's about building wealth brick by brick through smart choices and consistent efforts. Remember, personal finance is not just about money, it's about security and peace of mind. It's about achieving your financial goals, whether that's buying a dream house, saving for a comfortable retirement, or traveling the world. It's about gaining control over your lifestyle and making choices that truly matter to you. It's about breaking free from the shackles of debt and regaining control over your finances. And it's about investing in yourself and your future, unlocking new opportunities and potential. And the best part, you don't need a finance degree or a six-figure salary to master personal finance. All you need is a willingness to learn, the discipline to stick to your plan, and the patience to let your wealth grow over time. So let's recap. Personal finance empowers you to take charge of your financial future. It gives you the tools and strategies to manage your money effectively, achieve your financial goals, and live a fulfilling and secure life. Now here's a question for you. How would you spend $1 million? Leave your answers in the comments below. And remember, with personal finance, you're not just managing money, you're managing your future. Before we wrap up, there's one last thing we need to do together. You see, personal finance is a journey, and we're all on this journey together. So if you want to continue learning and growing with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you're not just joining a community, you're taking an active step in managing your financial future. Each video we post is a new tool in your financial toolkit, a new strategy to help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, and stay updated with our latest videos. Let's continue to learn, grow, and empower ourselves together. Remember, with personal finance, you're not just managing money, you're managing your future. So, join us on this journey to financial freedom. See you in the next video.